Hi, I'm offering something really special, my professional video creation services that will completely blow you and your customers' minds. Now, these videos are the most colorful and potentially the longest animated sketch videos you'll ever use. In fact, you have a choice between 6 unique video styles and themes, including 3D crayon sketch, charcoal sketch, animated sketch notebook, chalkboard sketch, animated flipbook sketch, black and white pencil drawing, and 3D color pencil sketch. Just take a look at some of these great examples that show just how show-stopping these videos can be. Contact us today and let's take your business, your brand, or your website to the next level with these scroll-stopping sketch videos.
Looking for eye-catching videos to use on your web pages, emails, and more? I can turn any photo or text into high-impact, 3D sketch animated videos using advanced artificial intelligence. You can choose whichever style of video you would like from the following list: crayon sketch, charcoal sketch, chalkboard sketch, color pencil sketch, blueprint sketch, animated notebook sketch. Provide me with your own audio to be used in the video, or provide me with pre-written copy that I will convert into high-quality speech. Large variety of languages are available. Contact me for specific languages offered. Provide photos to be used, or I can add stock images based on a brief description you provide. Background music is available. Free, guaranteed 24 hours delivery or less. Your professional video will include 1 high-quality videos, 2 sketch animation with or without hand, 3 unique language options, 4 stock photos on request, 5 your logo. You provide 6 background music, 7 24 hours or less guaranteed delivery, 8 full commercial rights. Get more eyeballs on your products. Offers with pattern interrupt sketch videos. Stay ahead of the competition with animated sketch videos designed to drive conversions for your business. Reach more customers with animated sketch videos in all languages. Contact us now at eyeballmarketing8@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and consideration. All the best, Gerald Smith. https geraldsmith.rapifizits.com or https://bit.ly Eyeballs phone 61,410,824,305.
We have something special for you. It's absolutely imperative that you visit our website right now.